Is your DJI Osmo Pocket 1, 2, or 3 flashing a red LED and not powering on? This usually happens due to battery faults, firmware glitches, or charging issues. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the red flashing light and get your Osmo Pocket powered on again. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check the battery. First, make sure to charge at least 30 minutes using the USB-C charger. Or you can try another USB-C cable or charger if it still doesn't power on. Solution 2. Force restart. Press and hold the power button or record button for 5 to 10 seconds. Release and then try turning on normally. If it powers on, check battery level. If it's low, then plug the charger fast. If you're still facing the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Firmware update. First, make sure to connect internet on your phone. Then open up the DJI Nemo app on your phone. Then connect the Pocket 3 to the app. If the app detects the camera, if any updates are available, an update will appear on the top of the home page of the app on your phone. Then install the latest firmware update. Sometimes a firmware mismatch can prevent startup, and updating usually fixes the problem. That's all for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.